Hello, my dear ladies. Hello, my dear gentlemen. The weather is wonderful again, blue skies, the sun is shining, and the whole world is shining. You see everything positively, and you're simply happy. So beautiful. The worries and problems are still there, of course, but hope is greater when the sun is shining and everything is bright. That's how I see it. But it's not all that simple when it comes to health or illness. Yes, and that's my topic today. I'll keep it short. Nobody wants to hear about illness. You just suppress everything. I've spent the last few days and weeks with my sick cat, Flocki. And I've been thinking about how grateful you should be to be healthy. The vet can't diagnose her because he doesn't know what's wrong with her. I took her to a special veterinary clinic. A sick cat in a car on a long drive. Not so pleasant. The veterinary clinic doesn't know either. But they immediately set up a step-by-step plan, a very expensive one. Analyses, special X-rays, anesthesia, etc. All of this has to be done. If all that doesn't work, we'll have to see what happens next. It's a never-ending story. I'm watching Flocki now. She sleeps with me and, as you can see from my shorts, is always close to me. I hope and believe she'll get better. There's supposed to be something wrong with her sense of balance. I've now consulted a second veterinary clinic, and I have more trust than I did with the first one. I have to wait and see. And my thoughts are, health is the most important thing in life, next to love. I felt the need to share this with you. If you're healthy, don't take it for granted. In life, everything can change very suddenly. Be grateful. Grateful. Yes, everything will definitely be fine. I wish you a healthy Sunday. Till the next.